Unit 2 test, Earth's place in the universe. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Multiple choice questions. Read each question and choice carefully and remember to take your time. Number 1. Our sun is at the center of the universe, our solar system, or our Milky Way galaxy. Number 2. Which planet is closest to the sun? Mars, Mercury, or Venus? Number 3. Which planet is the red planet? Mars, Jupiter, or Saturn? Number 4. Name the 4 outer planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, Saturn, Mercury, Jupiter, and Neptune, or Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Number 5. What is the nickname given to the outer planets? Gas giants, terrestrial planets, or stinky planets? Number 6. Which planet is known for its rings? Jupiter, Neptune, or Saturn? Number 7. True or false? The red spot on Jupiter is a giant lake. True or false? Number 8. Which planet seems to be rotating on its side? Mercury, Uranus, or Venus? Number 9. True or false? All of the gas giants have rings composed of ice and rock. True or false? Number 10. Which planet is the hottest planet? Mercury, Venus, or Earth? Number 11. Our sun is made up mostly of helium and hydrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide, or helium and oxygen. Number 12. The region of our sun that makes an enormous amount of energy through nuclear fusion: core, radiation zone, or convection zone. 13. The region of our sun where heat flows as electromagnetic radiation: core, radiation zone, or convection zone. 14. The region of our sun where energy rises and sinks in currents due to the unequal heating between the core and the surface of the sun: core, radiation zone, convection zone. 15. Sunspots are regions on the surface of the sun that are cooler than the surrounding areas or hotter than the surrounding areas. 16. Huge loops of plasma on the sun's surface: prominences, solar flares, or sunspots. 17. When loops on the sun connect, they release a large amount of magnetic energy. These bursts of energy that erupt into space are called prominences, solar flares, or sunspots. 18. The white halo that forms the outermost layer of the sun's atmosphere is known as the corona, photosphere, or chromosphere. 19. Identify the feature of the sun pictured in the image: prominence, solar flare, or sunspot. Number 20. Small, mostly rocky objects that orbit the sun: asteroids, comets, or meteors. 21. True or false? Chunks of rock or dust smaller than asteroids are known as meteors. True or false? 22. A streak of light produced from the friction of a chunk of rock from space entering our atmosphere is known as asteroid, meteor, or meteoroid. 23. Loose balls or ice in rock that have very long and narrow orbits: asteroid, meteor, or comet. 24. Many asteroids can be found orbiting between which two planets: Mars and Mercury, Mars and Venus, or Mars and Jupiter. And 25. Pluto was reclassified as a blank because it did not have enough gravity mass to clear its orbit path: an asteroid, a meteoroid, or a dwarf planet.